Welcome to Shiko, Beyond the Dot, where we challenge expectations, break barriers, and explore how women and the world are redefining leadership, careers, and equality. I'm your host, Shreya. Today, we're diving into something that's both deeply personal and universally resonant: success without sacrifice. How do we achieve success on our own terms? How do we thrive without compromising our values, dreams, or identity? Today, we're going to explore what it means to abandon society's rigid blueprint and create a life that aligns with who we are at our core. Let's start with a truth bomb. Society glorifies sacrifice, especially for women. We're told that if we want to be successful, we have to hustle harder, sleep less, and give up on things that we love. We're conditioned to believe that success requires pain, but does it really? This idea hit home for me a few years ago. I was running on fumes, juggling a demanding career, personal goals, and a vision to make an impact. I bought into the idea that I had to give 200% at all times to achieve anything meaningful. I got career coaching, which helped me step back, reevaluate my priorities, and make decisions that aligned with my values. I needed to redefine success on my own terms. Success that didn't come at the expense of my health, relationships, or joy. Prioritizing yourself is not selfish, it's strategic. If you remember nothing else from today, hold on to this. You cannot pour from an empty cup, and success built on burnout isn't success at all. Here's an action tip: grab a journal, a piece of paper, or even on your phone. Write down three things that genuinely make you feel fulfilled. Is it financial independence, creative freedom, quality time with loved ones? There are no wrong answers here, just your truth. This is the foundation of your personal success blueprint. Who benefits when you define success on your own terms? You do. And by extension, everyone else around you benefits from your authenticity. Now, let's talk about the invisible forces that shape how we think about success. Expectations. They're everywhere: at home, at work, in your social circles. Society hands us a checklist: graduate, get a stable job, get married, have kids, climb the corporate ladder. But here's my question for you: whose checklist is it? And most importantly, does it reflect your values? For me, these external expectations became glaringly obvious when I decided to pivot my career. I built a strong reputation in ad tech industry, but deep down I knew I wanted more alignment with my passion for sustainability and empowering women. People around me questioned my choices. Are you sure? Isn't that risky? But I realized their doubts reflected their fears, not mine. I had to tune out the noise and listen to my inner voice. Here's a quick exercise for you. When you think about success, whose voice do you hear? Is it your family telling you choose security over passion? Is it your peers pushing you to take on more than you can handle? Is it the endless scroll on social media convincing you that everyone else has it figured out? Identifying these voices is the first step in reclaiming your narrative. Here's another action tip. This week, say no to one thing that does not serve your goals or values. Maybe it's a social obligation you're dreading, or an extra project at work that isn't your responsibility. Protecting your energy isn't just self-care, it's a revolutionary act. What would your life look like if you said yes only to what aligns with your truth? Let's shift gears to alignment, the sweet spot where your actions match your values. Here's the hard truth: many of us chase achievements because it's what we've been taught to do. But success that's out of alignment with core values feels hollow. It's like climbing a ladder only to realize it's leaning against the wrong wall. For me, alignment meant embracing the multifaceted person I am. I'm a serial entrepreneur, a researcher, and an advocate for female leadership. When I stopped trying to fit into one box, I started to thrive. Alignment doesn't mean it's always easy, it means it's always worth it. Ask yourself, are you chasing a title or are you chasing fulfillment? Are you hustling for external validation or are you living for your internal joy? These are tough questions, but answering them honestly can change your life. Action step number three: building a hell yes framework. When faced a decision, ask yourself, does this excite me? Does it align with my values? Does it bring me closer to my vision of success? If the answer isn't resounding hell yes, it's a no. This simple mindset shift will free you from overcommitment and open doors to what truly matters. What would change in your life if you only said yes to what lights you up? Now let's zoom out for a moment and look at the big picture. When women choose success without sacrifice, it's not just a win for us individuals, it's a win for everyone. We set example for future generations, challenge toxic work cultures, and create ripple effects that transform community. Imagine a world where women didn't have to choose between career and family. where success wasn't a zero sum game. That world starts with you. By choosing your own path, you give others permission to do the same. Action step number 4. It's important to pay it forward. This week, share your story. Talk to a friend or a colleague what success without sacrifice means to you. You never know who might need to hear it. It's important to bring it all together. Success without sacrifice isn't just a pipe dream, it's your right. But it requires courage, clarity, and commitment. It starts with defining what success means to you, setting boundaries to protect your vision, aligning your actions with your values, and inspiring others to do the same. So here's your challenge. Start small. Take one aligned action this week. Say no to one thing that doesn't serve you. Share your story with one person who needs encouragement. And most importantly, give yourself grace as you navigate this journey. Remember, when you rise, you lift others with you. And together, we can create a world where success is inclusive, fulfilling, and limitless. This is Shreya signing off from Shiko, where women lead beyond expectations. If today's episode resonated with you, share it with someone who needs this reminder. Until next time, keep rewriting your story one unapologetic decision at a time. You are the author of your own success. Don't let anyone else hold your pen.